How to write a business plan for a wood toy manufacturing business? The answer is simple. Use an AI business planning tool. Before AI, you would do your marketing competition analysis, define your products and services, your sales, marketing, and operation plans. Then you would open up an Excel file, write 1,000 formulas to create your financial model. Only then you can start writing, polishing, and formatting your business plan. This would usually take you between a week and a month, and to be honest, it can be a boring process. Today with AI, you can have your business plan done faster, in a better quality, and it's actually fun. It's faster because you can have a business plan done in the next 1 hour. Not days, not weeks, hours. And I'm talking about a detailed business plan, 40 pages long, full-blown business plan within the hour. It's better quality because AI will guide you through the planning process to make sure you don't miss anything important. It will suggest improvements and it will write your plan in a perfect language and format. And it's actually fun because it's an interactive experience. So instead of listening to me for the next 1 hour telling you how to write your business plan, go to modeliks.com and have your business plan for your wooden toy manufacturing business done in the next 1 hour. Enjoy planning, and for more information, look at the description of this video.